today let's start with chapter number 10, keeping safe. In this chapter, we will study about safety. Keeping safe, what it helps us in saving us from injury. Now, what are accidents? Accident can happen anytime, anywhere. ठीक है, वो लोगों की mistakes की वजह से भी होता है, ठीक है, because of carelessness also and because of our mistakes. If we are not careful, we can hurt ourselves. Keep safety rules in our mind to keep yourself safe. इसलिए आपको कुछ safety rules हैं जो आपको अपने mind में रखना है to keep yourself safe. Now, first is safety rules on road. There are many safety rules that you should follow on the road, like walk on the footpath. हमेशा आपको footpath पे walk करना है. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. ठीक है, cross कहाँ पे करनी है? Zebra crossing पे. और whenever you are crossing the roads, you must see the traffic light. And if it is green for you, then only you have to move. Do not cross the road when the traffic light is green for you. ठीक है? और आपको कभी भी जब ट्रैफिक लाइट ग्रीन है, जो व्हीकल जाते हैं, तब आपको रोड को क्रॉस नहीं करना. लुक एट बोथ द साइड बिफोर क्रॉसिंग द रोड एंड यू शुड नॉट रन ऑन द रोड, और ना ही आपको खेलना चाहिए. नाउ सेफ्टी रूल्स इन द बस. द इम्पॉर्टेंट सेफ्टी रूल्स वी नीड टू फॉलो इन द बस ऑफ व्हीकल. डू नॉट गेट in or get off of moving bus. Do not stick your head or head out of the bus. ना तो आपको अपने head को बाहर निकालना है, ना ही thighs को बाहर. Do not shout and scream in the bus. ना तो आपको चिल्लाना है, ना ही जोर जोर से बोलना है. Red and green color are used in the traffic light because they clearly seen from the distance. क्योंकि आप उसको एक distance से ही clearly देख सकते हैं. Standing in a queue to board a bus. आप जब भी बस के लिए खड़े हैं तो आपको एक क्यू में खड़ा होना है, ठीक है, which is a good habit. Do not disturb the driver while he drives the bus and never open the door of the moving. अगर आप व्हीकल मूव कर रहे हैं तो कभी आपको डोर को ओपन नहीं करना है. Now safety rules in the swimming pool. There are many safety rules that you should follow while you are swimming. Like go with the adult to the pool. Do not go alone. ठीक है, कोई adult के साथ जाना है, कभी अकेले नहीं जाना. Do not go deep inside the pool. ज़्यादा deep side नहीं जाना है pool के. And if you do not know how to swim, you have to use swim tubes or floaters. जो arm bands होते हैं उनका use करना swimming के लिए. Do not eat while swimming. Do not run around the pool and do not push or pull each other. ना किसी को धक्का देना है, ठीक है ना? हम करते हैं धक्का मुक्की करते हैं, वो नहीं करते. Now, safety rules on the playground. There are many safety rules that you should follow on the playground. Like follow rules while playing the game. Whenever you are playing the game, you have to follow the rules. We need to wait for our turn on swings and do not stand in front of swings. मतलब आपको swings के सामने भी खड़ा नहीं होना है. Play in a safe place like a park or a playground and do not play on the. और आपको road पे नहीं खेल. We give immediate help to injured person, which is called first aid. हम उसको देते हैं जब तक डॉक्टर राइड नहीं करता है. बॉक्स एक फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स है, उसके अंदर बैंडेज, एंटीसेप्टिक लोशन, बैंडेज, रोल ऑफ कॉटन, एंटीसेप्टिक क्रीम, सीजर, ये सब होना चाहिए. Now safety rules at home. There are many safety rules that we should follow at home. What are these? We need to keep our toys and books and other things at a proper place. आपको करना अपने टॉयज को, अपने बुक्स को एक प्रॉपर प्लेस पे रखना है. अगर वो फैला के रखोगे आप, anyone can slip on them. Do not touch electric wire, matchstick or sharp object like knives, pins, blades. These can hurt. आपको किसी भी तरीके के sharp object को टच नहीं करना, चाहे वो knife हो, चाहे वो pen हो, चाहे वो blade, ठीक है, वो आपको hurt कर. Stay away from plug points and sockets. Do not play with fire. आपको fire से नहीं खेलना है. Never tease animals or pet animals. Never taste medicines because they are poisonous. Now safety rules if we get hurt. अगर हमें चोट लग गई तो there are some safety rules that you should follow. For keeping safe, we need to keep calm. Do not feel scared or shout. ठीक है, आपको calm रहना है. आपको scared feel नहीं करना. We need to quickly inform the elder around us. They will help us. Visit our doctor if required. अगर आपको डॉक्टर की नीड्स है, रिक्वायर, आपको डॉक्टर के पास जाना. Now, chapter has been completed. Hope you understood all the safety rules that you should follow on road while you are traveling on a school bus, and when you are at bus, and when you are playing in the playground, or whether you are going for a swimming. Now, let's start with the exercise of the chapter. अब हम chapter के exercise करते हैं. First is keeping safe can save us from injury, accident. Always walk on the footpath. Do not run on the full stand or sit. Do not push or pull others. Do not play with fire, water or switches. Fire. Now name this traffic light that tells us to stop. कौन सी लाइट होती है जो हमें स्टॉप करने को बताती है? Red. It gives us a shock. Cross the road here. कहाँ पे क्रॉस करनी है? Zebra crossing. Walk on this road here. Walk on this road here. Footpath. Use this in swimming pool. इसका यूज करना है स्विमिंग पूल इसका. Do not play with dash. Do not play with sharp object. Do not go alone for a swimming. Do not play on the. Do not play on the. वहाँ पे नहीं खेलना है आपको. Road. Do not touch dash wire. Electric wire. Do not take dash on your own. Do not take medicines. Medicines आपको अपने आप नहीं लेनी है. Do not jump in the dash side of the swimming pool. Deeper. Deep side. Do not board a. Do not board a moving bus. Now write T for true and F for false statement. We should put our head out of the window in the moving vehicle. False. We should not be. We should cut fruits with knife on our own. False. We must take the help of our adult. Be kind to animals. It's true. Next is we should push our friends while entering a bus. It's false. We should not do this. Run around the swimming pool. False. Use floaters in the swimming pool. आपको floaters का use करना है. It's true. Next is first aid. It is the first help. Zebra crossing. Cross the road. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से आपको क्या लग सकता है? शॉक. जम्प्स कॉज डिजीज. जंक फूड बैड फॉर हेल्थ. नाउ राइट टू सेफ्टी रूल्स फॉर ईच दैट वी शुड ओबे. नाउ एट होम If we talk about our house, what you should do? Keep toys properly. Not play with sharp objects. आपको sharp object से नहीं. At the playground, wait for your turn. Do not push away. On the road, walk on footpath. Do not play on road. ना ही आपको रोड पे खेलना है. In a swimming pool, use swimming pool. Do not go deep. You have to not go to deep side. आपको deep side नहीं जाना. Now answer the following question. Write any 3 safety rules on road. What 3 safety rules you should follow on the road? Always use zebra crossing and use footpath for walking. Take care and do not play on the road. Write any 3 safety rules in swimming pool. You should use swimming tubes for swimming if you don't know swimming, and you should not go deep side of the swimming pool, and you must go with the exit. Why accidents happen? Accidents happen due to our carelessness. What steps should we take when we write any 2 safety rules on playground? Okay, you should not push others while playing, or when you are on the swing, you should wait for your turn. Write any 2 safety rules on the playground. These safety rules also you can write in the playground also. Now our chapter has been complete. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Bye.